Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to download movies on the Netflix app. First, open the Netflix app and make sure that you're logged in. Once you make sure, also ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi Fi and your mobile data. If not possible, then make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection so your Wi-Fi operates smoothly. After that, in the app, find the movie or the TV show that you want to download. Not all titles support download, so look for the download icon. Once you find the download icon, tap the download icon next to the episode or the movie. Netflix will start downloading the content on your phone. You can check download progress from the downloads sections in the app. Once downloaded, wait until the download is fully completed. Then, once downloaded, you can watch the movie anytime with or without internet. This is perfect for traveling or offline viewing. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.